Evening or good morning wherever you're at. This is Wale, and I'm going to show you a cool uni trick I learned to get your game art or your prefab swapped in pretty quickly. For example, all of these brown cylinders, we're going to turn them all into trees, and all the gray boxes we're going to turn into buildings in a few steps. So hopefully it'll save you some time in the future. To get it done, let me get that box open. To get it done, we click the very top one, then we press and hold shift, click on the bottom one, right click, press replace, and nope, that's not what we want. We want the pine, and now they're all trees, and we put them in the empty so we can move them all down, and boom, all trees. So this is 4 and it was pretty quick, but you can imagine if you wanted like a whole forest, save you a lot of time. So let's do it again with the buildings, because these are all just cubes. Alright, so we click the very top one, press and hold shift, then you click the bottom one, you can let go of shift, you right click and then press replace, and then the prefab we want, and now they're all buildings. Boom. And that's pretty much it. Super easy but super helpful. And you can do it to things that are already, like you could swap out already made prefabs, like, or at least I guess that's the right way to say it, swap out already made prefabs. So if you want to change the trees over to buildings too, it's still the same process. You still just click the top one, press and hold shift, press the bottom one, right click, prefab, replace, they're named 10, and boom. You're gonna have to move them up a bit, but that's still a lot easier than trying to remake every single prefab at each spot, And that's all it was. Super quick, super easy. Thanks for coming by, and like and subscribe for more Unity videos and tutorials.